Hi folks, today we're going to talk about the benefits of keto for diabetics. Diabetes is a chronic disease that affects many people across the globe. Currently, more than 400 million people have diabetes worldwide. One of the ways to achieve better blood sugar levels is to follow a low-carb diet, also known as a ketogenic diet. With diabetes, the body can't effectively process carbohydrates. Normally, when you eat carbs, they're broken down into small units of glucose, which end up as blood sugar. When blood sugar levels go up, the pancreas responds by producing the hormone insulin. This hormone allows blood sugar to enter cells. In type 1 diabetes, an autoimmune process destroys the insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. People with diabetes take insulin several times a day to ensure that glucose gets into the cells and stays at a healthy level in the bloodstream. In type 2 diabetes, the beta cells at first produce enough insulin, but the body's cells are resistant to its actions, so blood sugar remains high. To compensate, the pancreas produces more insulin, attempting to bring blood sugar down. Over time, the beta cells lose their ability to produce enough insulin. Carbs have the greatest impact on blood sugar management. This is because the body breaks them down into glucose. Therefore, people with diabetes may need to take large doses of insulin, medication, or both when they eat a lot of carbohydrates. Many studies support low-carb diets for treatment of diabetes. In fact, before the discovery of insulin in 1921, very low-carb diets were considered standard treatment for people with diabetes. What's more, low-carb diets seem to work well in the long term when people stick to them. In one study, people with type 2 diabetes ate a low-carb diet for 6 months. Their diabetes remained well managed for more than 3 years later if they stuck to the diet. Similarly, when people with type 1 diabetes followed a carb-restricted diet, those who followed the diet saw a significant improvement in blood sugar levels over a 4-year period. Many studies found dramatic improvements in blood sugar levels, body weight, and other markers when carbs were restricted to 20 grams per day. However, research shows that more moderate carb restriction, such as 70 to 90 grams of total carbs, or 20% of calories from carbs, is also effective. The general rule is the less carbs you eat, the less your blood sugar will rise. And rather than eliminating all carbs, a healthy low-carb diet should actually include nutrient-dense, high-fiber carb sources like vegetables, berries, nuts, and seeds. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.